Yeah.
Hi, this is Bruce, New America Construction. This is the garage of the home, and same thing here. We're going to remove all of the existing siding. Garage is already insulated.
I think you see the way we trimmed out this window here.
Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to
Right through here, we checked this level and secure with the window. This one just comes with screws. We're going to install starter strip by nailing, placing the nails about every 16 inches, centered on the slot. Make sure
some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right. I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service?